As you can already tell by the beginning of the video, Carter is not at all interested in getting his hair braided. But that's no worries. In this video, I will be showing exactly how I get my son to let me refresh his braids effortlessly. So first, I like to have a talk with him beforehand just to prepare him for his hair care. Then I let him know that in order for him to be handsome and look good for all the ladies, Mama has to make sure his braids are fresh and clean. After our little prep talk, I put on his favorite show in the background. I let him play a game on his tablet, and I give him a snack. This is to keep him fully entertained, okay? The goal is to keep the attention span on lock, honey. We need him to be concentrated on what's in that tablet and not his scalp. Because mommy is on crunch time, my daily chores, tasks, and routines must be done by 8, period. Even after I have already detangled his hair, you can clearly see I'm still having to detangle it as I'm braiding. And that's just honestly 4C for you. I did not feel like getting out the blow dryer and putting heat to his hair. It's already too much when I have a boy that does not want his hair braided. Since I wash his hair once or twice monthly, I refresh it every other weekend. So his hair in this video is probably about 2 weeks old, and we just needed to refresh his hair because his scalp isn't really dirty. Towards the end of the video, you will see that I added some of the Blue Magic grease to his hair to add a little bit of moisturizer. These Gen Z children have no idea how easy they have it. Back in my day, we ain't have no instant detangle. We ain't have the detangler brush. We ain't have the untangle viral TikTok brush. We ain't have none of that. We had the smell of a burning hot comb to our ear. I might still have the burn marks. But on another note, do you guys see the transformation of his hair? Like, it's really giving first day of school, is it not? Look at these faces he making, y'all. Like, what is he doing? But as you can see, I'm struggling to get this product smoothed out. So I went ahead and took the rat tooth comb or rat tail comb, whatever you call it, and I just smoothed out the product. Okay, pause. This is the face you make when the last 2 braids feel like it's taking forever. If you made it this far in the video, there's plenty more where that came from. So go ahead and subscribe, join the channel. You will not be disappointed. All right, bye.